morning all of you. Carbonyl compounds. In this video we are going to discuss the preparation of aldehyde by Stephen's reaction. In Stephen's reaction, alkyl cyanide or nitriles are reduced using stannous chloride and HCl, addition of hydrogen gives an imine which on further hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid gives aldehyde. Alkyl cyanides are reduced into aldehyde by Stephen reaction. CH3CN, C triple bond N. This is where methyl cyanide, one common name, methyl cyanide. IUPAC name is 2-carbon ethane, carbon-carbon single bond N, nitrile, ethane nitrile. When reduced with stannous chloride and HCl, they provide hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. Triple bonded compound undergo addition reaction. One H is added to one carbon, another H is added to nitrogen. A triple bond is first converted into a double bond, CH3, CH, double bond NH. The compound is called aldimine. Compound is called aldimine, NH imine. This compound undergo hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid. Addition of water molecule HOH. We know carbon is more electronegative, nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. Carbon electronegativity 2.5, nitrogen electronegativity 3.0, that indicate what? Nitrogen pull the shared pair of electron towards itself. Here 1 minus, there 1 minus. To this minus, 1 H plus is added. To another minus, 1 H plus is added. So here you have 1 H plus, there 1 H plus. NH3 is removed. Then oxygen with the double bond is added to this carbon atom. Oxygen along with the double bond is now added to this carbon atom, gives CH3, C double bond OH plus NH3, ammonia is removed. Acetaldehyde is prepared. 2-carbon eth, carbon-carbon single bond ane, aldehyde ale, ethanol or acetaldehyde. One more reduction under this we are going to discuss now. If a compound containing double bond and nitrile group, the reducing agent diisobutyl aluminum hydride selectively reduce only cyanide but not the double bond. What is diisobutyl aluminum hydride? We know aluminum is a 13th group element, valency 3, and one bond is occupied by hydrogen, hydride. Another 2 bonds are occupied by isobutyl group, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Another bond is also occupied by isobutyl. CH2, CH, 1 CH3, another CH3. This is your diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It selectively reduces only the cyanide but not the double bond. Now we take one example of the compound containing both the double bond and cyanide functional group. CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2, CH2, C triple bond N. Undergo reduction followed by hydrolysis. Reduction in presence of our diisobutyl aluminum hydride ALH, isobutyl. How many isobutyl we have? 2 isobutyl. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride, which is selectively reduce only the cyanide, not the double bond. One H is added to the triple bonded carbon, another H is added to the triple bonded nitrogen, gives the addition product imine. CH3, CH, double bond CH, this is your CH2, CH2, CH, double bond NH, and imine is formed. What is the IUPAC name of our reactant? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of carbon atoms are 6, therefore root word hex, carbon-carbon double bond ene, CN nitrile, position of double bond is 4, hex 4 nitrile. And this imine, hex 4 imine, when hydrolyzed with mineral acid H plus addition of HOH. As usual, like our Stephen reaction, carbon is less electronegative than nitrogen. Therefore, nitrogen pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself, one plus and another plus. This plus is added to one bond, this plus is added to another bond. The double bond is now directly added to this carbon atom, gives aldehyde. Shall I write the product now? CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH2, 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 one oxygen is added to this carbon atom, nothing but aldehydic functional group with the loss of ammonia NH3. When we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number of carbon atoms 6, therefore root word hex, carbon-carbon double bond ene aldehyde ale, position of double bond 4, hex 4-enal, hex 4-enal, and this is our Stephen reaction and also selective reduction of cyanide. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.